Have I told you lately that I love you? The recipe that we are making today calls for using frozen bread dough. I'm all okay with that, but then I read on, and once you get your meatballs wrapped up in the dough, you need to let it sit and rest for 2 hours. You know me, I'm all about quick and easy, so I'm just using store-bought pizza crust. I have some frozen meatballs that have been thawing. If I had Italian meatballs, I'd be using that, but I don't have that today. This is what I'm using if you're interested. You get these in the freezer section at your grocery store. I'm going to go ahead and get this pizza crust out of here and we will get started. Okay, I have my pizza dough out. I already wrapped up a few. I cut it into a strip here. I'm taking about a 2.5 to 3 inch piece. And I'm just going to stretch it out some. Like that. I'm going to grab a meatball. And then we're just going to wrap the dough around it. And if it rips, just pinch it back together. Just like that. Go ahead and cut off another piece. Stretch the dough out. Grab another meatball and just wrap it around. And there we go. I'm going to go ahead and finish these up. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and pop these into the air fryer basket. These will puff up just a little bit, not too much. All right, let's go pop these into the air fryer. I'm excited about this. We are going to put these on 400 degrees for 5 minutes. Okay, it has been 5 minutes. These are ready. I'm going to go ahead and take these out real quick and then we will do our last step. I have these out of the air fryer. Now what we need to do, we are going to brush some olive oil on top of each one. I think it would be good to add some garlic into this oil too. If you're a garlic lover like I am. I'm going to take some grated Parmesan cheese and put a little bit over each of these. Okay, I'm just going to put some dry basil on here. If you have fresh, all the better. Just going to put a little bit on each one. And we are finished. Okay, here they are. I just cut one open and I just ate the other half. These are absolutely wonderful. Okay, everyone, I am calling these meatball bites. The original recipe, they called them meatball buns. I guess because they're made out of bread dough. I cannot stop eating these. I'm definitely making these again. It's on my appetizer list. I'm always looking for appetizer ideas. You saw how quick and easy this was. I hope you all give it a try. I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old ones. And if you have not yet subscribed, please consider doing so. I upload videos weekly. With that, everyone, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.